are gonna make mini cheesecake.
Mommy.
Strawberry.
Mommy.
Yes? Okay. So we have our pan and our cupcake pan. Cupcake holder. What's this? What is this? Crackers. So we have graham cracker crumbs. So you can use, yes. Okay, shh. So you can use graham crackers and crush them up yourself, or you can get the crumbs itself. So this is how it comes. It's already pre-made for you. You want to shake it? Shake it. Now for the graham crackers, it say we need 1 cup. Oh shit! Okay. So, thank God the table is clean.
Just a tad bit more. Want to help mommy? Pour. Come on. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
So clearly this is what goes down in the bakery. So it's at 1 cup. So we're gonna put that in here in our bowl. And it says 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Count. 1. What's the next? 1. Count. 1, 2. We only need 2. Come on, mix it. Mix. Let's go, girl. Ooh, let me help you. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. So we have these cupcake holders, and we are gonna put them in. One. Come on. 2. Put it in. Good job. Count. 3. Right here. No. So we got our cupcake holders in. Now it's time to evenly distribute the crust. Okay, this is what I'm gonna need you to do. Let's pour it right here. Hold it. Good girl. So now once we evenly distribute it.
Mommy.
Yes?
Mom,
okay. I'm gonna take the back of my seasoning jar, and we want to make sure it's like flat. Okay, hold it. Hold it. So this is something really cool to do with the kids. You gonna do it? Good. Circle, circle, circle. So now we, oh hell no. Okay, we're gonna crack 2. So we got our 2 eggs. Help me. Help me. Oh, good job, Zyla. One more. Whoa. We need half a cup of sugar. Hold on. Ready? That's half. You have half a cup of, don't do that. 8. Now it's time to whip it up. 8. Okay. Zyla is scared of this part. I'm just gonna evenly distribute. Help me. Help me flatten it. Help me. Help me. No, please. You know what to get you. Wow. Wow. Now we gotta bake it, right? Yeah. Let me see, Zai.